Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an ASUS ROG Phone 3 with a cracked back cover and a broken display. So let's go fix it. So first thing we're gonna do is to evaluate how we're gonna fix this. And as usual, like most of the time, we are gonna deal with the back cover. This one opens pretty easily. Maybe the owner has already opened this before and just return the back cover. We're gonna remove the heatsink. That's a solid aluminum. Goes over the CPU on the sides there. There's some copper plates, and these are the connectors for the battery and the display. This one specifically on the top is the connector for the display. Before we go to the main repair, we're gonna remove this magnet because the client wants us to reuse this on the new display. No problem. We're gonna reuse also the camera glass because we have a brand new back cover for this smartphone. We are also gonna reuse this LED cover, so we're just gonna transfer them over. I'm gonna attach it right there, and this is the original camera glass. Now that the back cover is sorted out, we're gonna remove the broken glass directly. But we have seen that there's a connector that is squished between the main board and the battery, and we can just pull it out because there's a protrusion for the connector itself, so it's gonna be risky if we force it out. And also David won't just cut it because that's not a pro thing to do. We're gonna take our time, remove the main board cover. It covers the top and bottom part of the main board. And the battery is around the main board. You can see that it's like an inverted C. We're gonna remove some components. It's gonna make this process complicated. Now we're gonna lift the main board and then remove the connector for the display. So we didn't really remove the main board, we just lifted it up slightly so that it will have enough space for us to remove the connector for the display. And now we're gonna clean off the old adhesive from the housing. The housing itself on the front is pretty flat. There's a fingerprint scanner there. And now we're gonna put our own adhesive. Just enough so that it won't fall off once we install the new display in place. Now we're gonna remove. Now we are gonna install the display to the housing. Just gonna put the connector right into the slot there. It's gonna be tricky. You need both hands. So we're gonna lift up the housing, the main board, and then slowly route the connector through the slot at the back. Now we can press in the display into place. It's gonna be a tight fit. It's gonna take some precision. Gonna ensure that the front camera glass or the hole is not contaminated by adhesive. And now we are gonna focus our attention the back of the device. Gonna remove the plastic cover for the front camera, reinstall the camera module. Now we're gonna screw in the main board, put in the cover, and this is gonna be first time testing if this smartphone is working with the new display. So this is a slightly older version of the modern ROG phone. We already have ROG Phone 7, so this is a couple of generations older. But still, the specs on this one can still be sufficient for modern games. So if your iPhone is your typical standard run-of-the-mill smartphone, this one is geared towards gaming. So you can see the design language of it is more in line with the gaming culture. So far so good. The smartphone is booting up. Republic of Gamers, that's the ROG acronym. Now it's booting up. As you can see, the difference between an entry-level smartphone and a high-end smartphone for gaming. The applications just start up right away. Let's start off the camera. Snappy, very, very snappy. That's stay there. And I think we are done with here. We can now close up the device and return this to the owner. Got a brand new back cover. From the outside, this looks pretty brand new. In the inside, all the same parts. And this is gonna live on for many, many years. And as promised, we're gonna return this magnet to the back cover. We're gonna clean this up. We're gonna give the customer a free tempered glass. And if you want this kind of service, you can visit us in Sydney CBD Repair Center, or you can mail in your broken ASUS ROG Phone 3. We have done this kind of repair for overseas clients, so you're guaranteed to have your smartphone back in working order. So thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions on our services, or if you have any comments on the video, leave it down below. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, speaking fast? I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.